Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about how you can get approved on the Creative Market website in order to create your shop and start selling your products on this website. Now there are two different ways that you can get approved. First is the instant approval way. Now this part is paid for and it requires you to create a Dribble Pro account. Now, Dribble is a website that is connected to the Creative Market website, and basically, once you create your Dribble Pro account, as you can see here, it's built for $8 a month currently on sale. You will sign in on to the Creative Market website with your Dribble Pro account, and you will just be able to open a shop straight away. You will not need to go through the application process. Now, as for the Creative Market application process, so if you are not going to go through Dribble Pro, you need to follow a few different rules. So first of all, you will need to create your own strategy. So whatever you want to sell, it will need to be strategized, it will need to be organized, and it will need to be branded properly. So you need to create a brand, you need to create a logo. Your portfolio, the one that you apply with, needs to be structured, and also it will help if you have sold products before on different websites. So when you add a link, you add a link to those products that you have already created, and obviously all of this increases your chances. So basically the most important thing is that you have a structure, that you have a plan, and it's not something that's lackluster, and it's very organized. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful.